To digitize an image, we follow these steps. 1. We will select a map that has defined coordinates. 2. Then we will create at least 4 ground control points in the selected image. 3. Then we will insert this image into ArcGIS. 4. After that, we will add control points using georeferencing tools and input x, y values. 5. Verify all ground points and update georeferencing. 6. Update the coordinate system if it shows a spatial coordinate error. This map has coordinates which we can use for georeferencing. Now we open this image with the Paint application. After opening this image, we select the line from the Shapes toolbox and select 1px for a thin line. We need to select 4 ground control point. Here we will create 4 ground control point. For that, we will create 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines. That gives us 4 ground control points. The first horizontal line we created on the y-axis is 25 degrees 5 minutes. We also need to verify that the line is properly aligned with the coordinate points. Next, we create the second horizontal line we made on the y-axis at 25 degrees 5 minutes. Then, we create the first vertical lines at the x-axis 89 degrees 5 minutes. Next, we create the second vertical line at the x-axis 89 degrees 25 minutes. After that, we need to number those 4 ground control points. Now, we select the first ground controlling point at latitude 25 degrees 25 minutes and longitude 89 degrees 25 minutes. Then, we select the second ground controlling point at a latitude of 25 degrees 25 minutes and a longitude of 89 degrees 40 minutes. Then, we select the third ground controlling point at latitude 25 degrees 5 minutes and longitude 89 degrees 40 minutes. Finally, we select the fourth ground controlling point at latitude 25 degrees 5 minutes and longitude 89 degrees 25 minutes. Then we save the image and exit from the Paint. Now we open ArcGIS and insert the image. From the catalog, now we insert the image. Please go ahead and press OK for now. We select the Add Controlling Point from the Georeferencing toolbar. If that is not available, we will enable it. Here's the 4 ground control points of our map image. Now we select the first controlling point and add its values. Here we need to convert values from degree, minute, second to degree decimal. To calculate the degree decimal, we will divide minutes by 60 and second by 3600 and then sum it with the decimal. Now we insert the xy values of the first point. Then we select zoom to layer to show the overall image. Next, we select the second ground controlling point and enter the calculated values. Then again we select zoom to layer to show the overall image, and then we select the third ground controlling point and insert the calculated values. Then again we select zoom to layer to show the overall image, and then we select the fourth ground controlling point and insert the calculated values. After that, we check the point values and error from the view link table. This is our digitizing error. Now we see it in calculator application for real values. This is a minimal error and it's accepted. Now we georeferenced the image using update georeferencing from georeferencing toolbox. Now this image has been successfully georeferenced. Now we check the spatial reference error. For that, at first we remove the image and then we insert it again. This image shows an error with an unknown spatial reference. To solve this problem, at first we remove the image. Next, we open the catalog, select the image, right click and then select properties. Then scroll down and find out spatial reference, that will show undefined. Click on edit. Then select the geographical coordinate system. Then select word. Scroll down and select WGS 1984. Press OK. Now open the image again to verify. Now this image is fully georeferenced and ready for further work. Below the taskbar, it shows a degree decimal that indicates perfectly georeferenced. Thank you for watching this video.